Welcome back to Fairmount, guys. A lot has happened since you were here last. We set a front door right beside the front desk there at the reception area. There's a lot of handrail going up, the finishing touches around the dining area. We also got the divider wall between the new dining, the old dining and the new dining, and which also created a cart room off of the kitchen, so they will have a new space for there. Also, a lot of the flooring is getting torn up and the new is going down. The next couple weeks, that's what you'll see the most. So probably the next time you come here, there'll be all brand new floor in the place. Thanks a lot, guys.